Hi, first graders. Happy Blue Day. Today we're going to be reading We Are All Wonders. This book is by R.J. Palacio, and I love this book because it's all about how even though we're all different, even though we all struggle with different things, and we may look different or we may not be the best at everything, we're still amazing. We're still wonders. So let's get reading. I know I'm not an ordinary kid. Do you guys see something different about him? He only has one eye. Sure, I do ordinary things. I ride a bike. I eat ice cream. I play ball. I just don't look ordinary. I don't look like other kids. My mom says I'm unique. She says I'm a wonder. My dog Daisy agrees. But some people don't see that I'm a wonder. All they see is how different I look. Sometimes they stare at me. They point or laugh. They even say mean things behind my back. But I can hear them. It hurts my feelings. It hurts Daisy's feelings too. Who is Daisy? She's his dog. Yeah. When that happens, I put on my helmet. I put Daisy's helmet on too. And then what do you think they do? Make a prediction. Let's see if you're right. We blast off! Up, 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 up through the clouds. Were you right on your prediction? Across the galaxy, all the way to Pluto. We say hello to old friends. From far away, the Earth looks so small, but I can't see any people. But I know they're there. Millions of people. People of all different colors. People who walk and talk differently. People who look different, like me. The Earth is big enough for all kinds of people. I know I can't change the way I look, but maybe, just maybe, people can change the way they see. If they do, they'll see that I'm a wonder. How do we change the way that we see? Do you know what they're talking about here? I think that they're talking about maybe we have to change the way we see people. We don't see them just because of how they look, but we see them by how they act and how kind they are and how they treat other people. And if we see that way, then we'll see that everyone is a wonder, right? And they'll see that they are wonders too. We're all wonders. Look with kindness, and you will always find wonder. So instead of seeing people just because of how they look, I want you to challenge yourself to look at people with kindness. Try and find the best thing about them, and then you're going to see that they are a wonder. All right, first graders, that was Blue Day. Have a good day.